How to sign up for a new account on Google Play Store. What's up everyone? In today's tutorial, I'll show you guys how you can easily sign up for a new account on Google Play Store. So before we get started, I want you to head down below to like the video and subscribe to the channel. First thing you need to do is open up your Play Store, and if you want to create a completely new account, you'll have to create a new Google account for that. And now first open up your Google Play Store and then tap on this drop down right here to add a new account to your device. Now once you have done that, you'll see an option to add another account at the bottom, so just tap on add another account and it will check your device info. Now you'll just have to verify on your device to add a new account. So here now you can just enter your new email address or a phone number that you want to add on your Google account. Or if you completely want to create a new account, just tap on create account for my personal use and then enter your name, your surname, and then from here you can just go ahead and tap on next. You can choose your birthday. Then from here you can just go ahead and enter your gender. So once you have entered your gender, you can just tap on next. You can choose your email address like this, or you can enter your own. Make sure that it has to be unique. Then just create your password, tap on next, and your new Google Play Store account will be created. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. I'll see you guys on the next one.